So notice what we have is essentially combining like terms. For example, if I had 1x plus 3x, because they're like terms, you would simply add the coefficients and then essentially tack on the x. Same thing here. We have 1 6 to the 4 thirds plus 3 times 6 to the 4 thirds. Another way to say that is 1 times the cube root of 6 to the 4th plus 3 times the cube root of 6 to the 4th. So that's going to give us 4 times the cube root of 6 to the 4th equal to 4 times 6 to the a. Well, they both have the 4 in common. So if we're saying these are equivalent, we need the exponents to be equivalent. This left side here is written in what we call radical form. We need to turn it into rational exponent form. So notice if we go to page 34, which is side 3 of our math reference document, we see the difference between those two forms. And remember, you're essentially reading radical form. To make it rational exponent form, you basically read it from right to left. So 64 to the 1/2. And keep in mind that if there isn't an exponent, it's assumed to be a 1. If there isn't a root, it's assumed to be a 2. And same thing here, 64 to the 1/3, but we write it here 64 to the 1/3, top to bottom. So right to left, top to bottom. So now we could say this is really 6 to the 4. So let me just write that out. 4 times 6 to the 4 thirds is equal to 4 times 6 to the a. So what is a? It's 4 thirds.